This is the service video for the Dienatronic EMH electronic motor hub. We will show you the correct disassembly and reassembly procedures and point out some of the areas that require routine maintenance. The tools you'll need to service the Dienatronic EMH hub is a 3mm Allen key, a plastic hammer, a set of snap ring pliers, and the Dienatronic stator removal tool, which you can get through your Dienatronic service center. The first step in the process is removing the cover. For this, you use a 3mm Allen key and just back out the screws. Make sure not to misplace the lock washers that come with the screws. And then you need to remove the cover. Sometimes it takes a little effort. It's not too bad. Just pull it off. There is one bearing in the cover that you will need to possibly replace from time to time. It's just a standard sealed bearing. Next step is to remove the hub shell and ring gear, which you can see inside the shell there. That remains in the case from the motor assembly. Then remove the planetary gear set just by pulling on it. There is a keyway here with a key that you need to remove in order to continue the disassembly process. Then the sun gear has 3 screws that you need to remove. They're also 3mm. These are 3mm Allen key. So then you remove the sun gear by using your 3mm Allen key. There are 3 screws that you need to remove. Remove the screws and then remove the sun gear, and there's a sleeve inside the sun gear that comes out. Then using the stator removal tool, just install it over the axle, and using the same 3 holes and the screws from the sun gear, install the screws. Once the 3 screws are installed, then you snug them down with your 3mm Allen key. Then just turn the screw, and as you can see, it's pushing the stator out from the carrier. And just keep screwing that in until you overcome the magnets, and then you should be able just to remove it the rest of the way by hand. Do that, and then once you've got it beyond the magnets, it just comes right out. Okay, you can set that aside. This also has a couple of sealed bearings in it that can be replaced from time to time. Standard procedure for replacing a sealed bearing, just pull it out and press in the new one. So now that you have the stator out, just hold the long part of the axle slightly in your hand, hold the stator from that side down, and just a couple light taps and the axle will pop right out. There's a keyway in here, so you want to be careful not to lose it. And this is the key. You want to make sure you keep track of that. You'll need that to reinstall the new axle.